Hello everybody, this is Avery Harris. I make YouTube tutorials just like this one here. And in today's video, I got a very quick tutorial, which is how to change YouTube into dark mode from your PC and from your phone. So you can see that I'm on the PC right now, and all I want to do is go up to the top right where my profile picture is, click on my profile picture, open up this menu, and then go down to appearance. You can see appearance as light. I'm gonna click on that, and then you see another little menu pops up. Right above light theme, you have dark theme. So I'm just gonna click on that, and you'll see that everything changes over into the dark theme. For your mobile device, it's almost as easy. What I want to do from being on the home page is go up into my profile picture, which is at the top right, open up that menu, and then in that menu, I want to go into settings. From settings, I want to open up the general tab. And then in general, I'll find appearance, which is the third from the top for me. And after clicking on that, I'll just change it from light theme to dark theme. Now, I personally like using the dark theme, especially when I wake up, because when I wake up, it's obviously dark, and then I'll come straight into the office. And instead of getting blinded by the monitor, putting YouTube in the dark mode makes it a lot easier for my eyes to slowly adjust to the brightness. What do you think of the dark theme though? Do you like dark theme or do you like the light theme better? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if this video was helpful to you, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out from me. I make new videos every week. Also, check out some of my older videos, because if you like this one, more than likely, you'll like some of my older videos that I've done as well. Thanks for watching.